In this video, we are going to discuss use as a auto transformer as a transformer for a three-phase induction motor. So, starter is necessary for induction motor to limit the starting current. So, because at the starting of three-phase induction motor, it will draw 7 to 8 times of full load current. So, it will causes low voltage in a induction motor circuit, or it will affect the other loads are connected to the same circuit. So avoid this, we have to use starter for induction motor. So by using auto transformer, we can apply low voltage at the we can apply low voltage to the induction motor at the starting. So by applying low voltage to the starting of induction motor, we can protect other devices which are connected to the same circuit from low voltage side. Okay, so let's discuss use of auto transformer as a starter. Okay, the three-phase star connected auto transformer can be used to reduce the voltage applied to the stator. So it consists of suitable changeover switches. When the switch is in the start position, the stator winding is supplied with the reduced voltage. This can be controlled by tapping provided with the auto transformer. So connect the output of this auto transformer to the stator winding, and by changing the uh, or by rotating the knob of auto transformer, we can apply reduced voltage. We can apply reduced voltage to the induction motor, and we can control other devices from low voltage situation, or we can protect other devices of the other devices which are connected to the same circuit. Right? When when we apply reduced voltage to the induction motor, that time motor will draw excess current, but it will does not cause low voltage in a same circuit. Okay, so by applying voltage with the help of auto transformer, initially we apply near about 80%. We are going to apply voltage slowly to the induction motor, then motor start rotating. As once motor start it will draw normal current. When motor gather 80% of the normal speed, the changeover switch is thrown into the run position. Due to this, rated voltage get applied to the stator winding, and the motor start rotating with the normal speed. So changing of switch is done automatically by using relay. Okay, in this way, by using auto transformer, we can start induction motor. So advantages of auto transformer as a starter is provide better starting torque. It is used for starting large motor with significant load. It also offer manual speed control. It also offer flexibility in starting characteristics. Some disadvantages of auto transformer starter are: due to large size of auto transformer, such starter makes too much space requirement, and second one is that the circuit is complex and relatively expensive than the other starters. So this is the theoretical background of auto transformer as a starter, and actual performance will be continued after this. Okay, now let's perform the starting method of three-phase induction motor by using auto transformer. Okay, for that purpose we have to use auto transformer to start the induction motor. On this panel, the output of auto transformer is here. From that output, we have to connect the output of auto transformer to the winding. Each stator winding has two terminals. In this case, we are going to connect this three-phase induction motor in star manner. The two output terminals A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2 to be considered while starting this squirrel cage induction motor by using auto transformer. For this purpose, we do some connections. First, to connect motor in start, we have to short A1, A2, B2 and C2 terminals to each other. Okay. Now, the stator of this squirrel cage induction motor is now connected in a star manner. Okay. Then, we have to give 3-phase output of auto transformer, which is adjusted here to the induction motor. For that purpose, we have to connect ammeter in series with the one phase. In that purpose, by connecting ammeter in series, we have to give supply to the one phase. Okay. Then second phase supply given to the second terminal of the stator. Now third phase supply given to the third terminal of the stator, and keep one voltmeter parallel to the any two phases, connect across any two phases. So this is the simple arrangement to start 3-phase induction motor by using auto transformer. Generally, at the starting time, the induction motor will draw 6 to 7 times rated current, or the induction motor at the starting time draw a maximum current or excess current. To limit this, we have to use the difference starter or difference starting method. In this, you will also observe when we apply the voltage across the induction motor, the initially current draw by this induction motor is near about 10 ampere, and whenever induction motor runs at a rated speed or at under normal condition, this induction motor will draw only 1 ampere current. The rating of this 3-phase induction motor is I think 3 kilowatt, 230 volt 3-phase, 230 volt 3-phase, and the rated current of this motor is 4.4 ampere, and the rated speed is 1500 rpm. So let's start. We are going to start this experiment. Now, by applying the voltage across this induction motor, observe the variation of current. Observe the variation of current. On. Observe the variation of current. In this starting, okay, near about 10 ampere is the starting current, and now at a normal running condition the current is 1 ampere. This is a 20 ampere voltmeter, so we have to multiply the actual reading of this ammeter multiplied by 2. So the at starting the induction motor will draw maximum current near about 10 ampere, and at the normal running condition it will draw only 1 ampere current. Okay. So this is the method to run induction motor by using auto transformer. Okay. Now, as we vary the input voltage to the induction motor, there is a variation in the speed of induction motor. So let's vary the voltage from 230 volt. कमी कर. Now, okay. Now the हळू वाढव. थांबा. The voltage it is near about 160 volt. At this time, the speed of induction motor is 1445 rpm. Now again increase. At this stage, the speed of induction motor is 1480 ampere. 80 rpm. Now increase voltage, increase. At this stage, the rated speed of induction motor or the actual speed of induction motor is 1490. And now at this stage, when the rated voltage applied to the induction motor, the speed of motor is near about 1500 rpm. Actually is a 1498 rpm, but it is near about 1500 rpm. Okay. In this way, we perform the starting of induction motor by using auto transformer and variation of induction motor by using auto transformer. As we discussed earlier that when the rotating magnet, the strength of rotating magnetic field which will develop in an induction motor, it depends upon the supply voltage. So as we goes on increasing supply voltage, the developed magnetic field becomes stronger and motor will rotate at a maximum speed. So as we increase the applied voltage to the three-phase induction motor, the magnetic field, rotating magnetic field which is developed in the motor circuit goes on increasing. So the speed of induction motor goes on increasing by increasing the voltage. Therefore, the speed of induction motor is directly proportional to the applied voltage. Okay.